Hello guys, and welcome to this new video tutorial. In this video I will show you the easiest way how you can change the sleeping options in Windows computer. If you want to increase or decrease the time which your computer takes to sleep, or you would like just to change the settings of your sleeping mode, then this video is for you. First of all, go to your battery indicator, click with the left button of the mouse and select power options. Another option, you can always press the Windows sign plus letter X and you can click power options, and this should open the same for you. So if you have chosen the Windows sign and the X button and you clicked on it, you will see the options like this, so you can adjust the screen and the sleep options accordingly. If you have clicked on the battery indicator and it opened for you this window, you want to click on change plan settings, and here you can choose what happens on battery and what happens when plugged. If after that you're still not able to find what you are looking for as options, click on change advanced power settings, and here you will have the advanced options: desktop background settings, sleep, and here you can change sleep after on battery and plugged in. Here you will have even the hibernate option. I hope this video tutorial was helpful to you guys. If you are still in need of help or assistance, you can always write us a comment or send us an email and we'll do our best to help you. If you would like to encourage us to create more video tutorials for Windows and dedicated softwares, you can always subscribe to our channel to encourage us. Thank you guys for watching, and talk to you soon in a new video.